Hi, my name is Ekaterina Gutsan and I'm from Russia. My major is Public Relations and Journalism School and my minor is Communication Studies. At the beginning I was a transfer student from Russian University. I have been studying here for almost 4 years and I'm about to graduate this December. About the journalism school, this is the professional environment. Being a journalist here at Marshall University is really interesting and gives you a lot of opportunities. For example, you have a chance to work in newspaper, domestic newspaper, the Parthenon. You're writing the stories, you are talking to people, you interview people, so it's really good practice for the future. And actually it's the main difference between Russian university, journalism school and American universities, because here we're practicing theory and in Russia we just kind of study theory. And also team, when you're like where you're working, is really helpful. Me as a being international is really hard writing and study and communicate in English 24/7. So sometimes I was really tired and they told me like just don't worry and take your time and just try to interview people and be who you are. But here you can interact with professor, you can ask the questions, you can learn from him. It works even better. So being here for 4 years, it means a lot for me. I got so much to learn here. I got the best experience in my life. This is the best school for me because when I came here, I couldn't speak English very well. I was learning and I mean, I got success, seriously. Like the many things I got used to and it just became so familiar for me, and this is my second home. Marshall University gives you a really good opportunity to succeed.